Hi, I'm Louise Warren and I'll talk to you today about content creator endpoint assessment and in particular the element that covers the professional discussion underpinned by the portfolio evidence. So as the apprentice, you'll prepare a portfolio of your best work completed during your apprenticeship and prepare for a professional discussion with the independent endpoint assessor, which is likely to take around about an hour. The portfolio that you create itself is not graded, but it is used by the independent endpoint assessor to prepare for the professional discussion and personalised questions. So the portfolio must be mapped against the key skills and behaviours, the KSBs, and only contain evidence that relates to the KSBs for this particular assessment method. This is from work completed during the on-programme element of the apprenticeship and should contain around 10 pieces of evidence. The same evidence can be used for more than one KSB area, and we're looking here at the quality of the evidence rather than quantity. There's some examples here of things that you can include in your portfolio, such as content created or show reels, work products, contribution to briefs, reference materials or research, workplace documentation and records, or feedback and witness statements. So the professional discussion will be conducted online using Zoom or Microsoft Teams, and you'll be given at least 10 days notice of the date for your professional discussion. During the discussion, the endpoint assessor will ask at least 7 questions and probably many more about aspects of your occupation which relate to the key skills and behaviours. Please remember to bring your ID on the day of the endpoint assessment. So we've created a mapping form to make things nice and easy for you when you're preparing your portfolio. So there's an example of a page of the mapping document here, which shows clearly the pass and distinction criteria, and then there's a place for you to reference that. Be prepared to discuss each key skills and behaviour area, KSB area, in the professional discussion, and try to have a couple of good examples for each one. Make sure that you include at least one piece of evidence for each of the KSB areas and reference any collaborative work that you've done to make your personal role clear. The 7 KSB areas that need to be covered: regulatory requirements, written content, audio, visual content, content management, planning, collaboration and CPD. So the mapping document needs to cover all 7 KSB areas, and it breaks down the pass and distinction criteria. So the grading for the professional discussion is pass, distinction and fail. In order to achieve a pass, you'll need to meet every single one of the pass criteria, and a distinction, you'll need to meet all the pass criteria as well as the distinction criteria. You'll need to be in a room on your own to complete your endpoint assessment, and it's completed under exam conditions. Good luck with the endpoint assessment, and here's our email address if you need us.